With the Samsung Galaxy S24's expected release date now just weeks away, there aren't that many things left to leak. The biggest question mark concerns how extensive Samsung's embrace of artificial intelligence (AI) is set to be, but a new leak appears to answer that question, while raising another for those keen on the cheapest model. On Twitter, @MysteryLupin, who previously shared renders of the new handsets just before Christmas, has posted what appears to be marketing copy outlining the S24 Plus and S24 Ultra's key AI features. It apparently first appeared on the Walmart website, but has since been taken down. Google has cached it here for posterity, however. First up is one we've heard about before. From the phone app, users will apparently be able to speak and instantly have their words translated into a number of foreign languages. Nightography sounds interesting. It seems to be a kind of AI-enhanced image processing for low-light images. Zooming in from a distance, even in low light, the text reads. Finally, there's generative edit, which sounds a lot like Magic Eraser on recent Pixel phones. It will let you move or remove objects and fill an empty space, presumably as a way of making pictures that bit more perfect, even if they're essentially airbrushed. Notably, this last one requires a Samsung account and an internet connection to work. In other words, it's likely leaning on Samsung's cloud servers, presumably because it's highly resource-intensive. What's curious about this is that the headings only refer to the S24 Plus and S24 Ultra, with no mention of the entry-level S24. It might simply be that Walmart didn't get around to listing the handset before it realized its mistake. But could it possibly mean that Samsung's cheapest handset won't be getting the same AI treats of its more expensive siblings? It seems a little wild, but to add a little credence to it, a recent leak suggested that while both the pricier models will be equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, the basic model will only get that in North America. Given Qualcomm has played up the chip's AI credentials, could that be the reason the S24 is omitted? It could be, but doesn't seem that likely, especially with generative edits seemingly performed off-device in the cloud. We find it very hard to believe that Samsung would skip AI completely in any of its Galaxy S handsets when it's set to be a main reason to upgrade. That said, we wouldn't bet against the company gently upselling by making some AI features exclusive to the pricier models. We'll find out on January 17 when Samsung is rumored to unveil the phones. Watch this space. Considering the leaks and hints about the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset's AI capabilities, do you think Samsung might be playing a nuanced game of differentiation to entice users to opt for the higher-end models? And as we await the official unveiling on January 17, the question that lingers is, will Samsung surprise us with unique AI features across the entire Galaxy S24 lineup, or will some AI treats be exclusive to the premium siblings? Do let us know in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.